Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. It's your English time. Okay, let's start with me. ENGLISH English. It's your recognition time. RECOGNITION recognition. Let's start with me. Small a, small b, small c, read loudly, small d, small e, small f, small g, small h, z, hurry up, read loudly, very good, small I, small z, small k, small l, small m, yes Fisher, hurry up, read loudly, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, very good. Let's shake on, hurry up, read loudly, small s, small t, small u, small v, very nice, small w, small x, small y, small z, again done with me, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Okay. Now it's your reading time. READING. Reading. Do you know which chapter is this? Yes, sir. Very nice. Good. Capital P, small p. Capital P, small p. Pizza. Pizza. Very nice. Read loudly, okay? Now it's your writing time. WRITING. Writing. TOP. Read loudly. Yes, good. Very good. TOPIC. Topic. Okay. A to F. How you will write? Okay, I will tell. Look here. Put pencil on first dot. Draw a curve till second line. Now put pencil again. Put pencil on first dot. Draw a standing line with small curve. Next A. Put the phonics of it. Small a. Small a. Very good. Now put pencil first dot. Draw a standing line. Standing line. Yes. Now put pencil on second line. Okay. Draw a curve till third line. Next B. B. Small a. Small b. Now after B, which letter will be? You can see here. A, B, C. Very good. C will be. Then how you will write? Put pencil first dot. Draw a curve. Means C. C phonic. A, B, C. After C, which letter will be? D. Look here. Put pencil first dot. Draw a standing line with small curve. Okay. Now put pencil on second line. Draw a curve. Next D. D. A, B, C. D. Now look here. After D, you can see here. E. Very good. All are very good babies. Okay. Put pencil on dot. Draw a curve. And now again put pencil on dot and little curve inside. Next E. Small e. E phonic. A. Okay. After E, small f. Small f. Put pencil on dot. Draw a small curve. Now go downwards. Now again small curve. Yes, very good. Okay. Apple. Ball. Look here. Which letter? C. C. C for it. Cat. Cat. Wow, very good. Now D. Small d. D. Duck. Quack quack. Duck says quack quack. Quack quack. Very good. Small e. Small e. Egg. Egg. Small f. Where's the phonic of F? Flower. Flower. Book. D. F. Book. D. F. Okay. Did you enjoy? Wow, very nice. You all are very good, baby. Allah Hafiz. But you will not disturb to your mama. Okay, you will sit properly and you will write A to F. Okay.